Text animations can make videos feel more professional, modern, and engaging. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, shorts, cinematic edits, tutorials, or social media content, animated text helps grab attention and improve viewer retention. And in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can create smooth text animations directly inside the software without needing advanced motion graphics tools. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to add text animation in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and load the project you want to edit. Now import your footage and place it onto the timeline before creating the text animation. To create text, select the Type tool and click directly inside the preview window. Now adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and styling inside the Essential Graphics panel. Move the text into the correct position depending on your video style and layout. To animate the text, open the Effect Controls panel. This is where you'll add movement using keyframes. And honestly, clean and simple text animations usually look more professional than overly complicated effects. Readability and timing matter much more than flashy motion. And that's your full guide on how to add text animation in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create smoother and more professional animated text effects using Premiere Pro.